equations graphically. First equation is x plus y is equal to 5. Second is 2x minus y is equal to 4. So firstly make the table. For graphically you have to take 2 or 3 solutions, x and y. Suppose x is 0, y will come 0 plus y is equal to 5. So y will come 5. In second case you take y 0, x plus 0 is equal to 5. So x will come 5. Now you can take any value. Suppose you are taking x3. x1 also you can take, 2 also you can take. I am taking 3. Y will come 5 minus 3, 2. Now again for this equation similarly you will make the table. Values of x and y. Suppose x is equal to 0. You will get 2 into 0, 0. Minus y is equal to 4. So y will come equal to minus 4. Y is equal to 0. X will come. 2x is equal to 4. X will come 4 over 2. That is 2. Third value, suppose x is equal to 3 you are taking. So 2 into 3, 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2. So y will come equal to 2. Now you have to plot the graph on the graph paper. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative y-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Like this you can take. Now x is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is 5. So 1 point will come here for this equation. Second is x is 5, y is 0. 1 point will come here. Third is x is 3, y is equal to 2. So 1 point will come here. So with the help of scale on the graph paper, you have to join these points carefully. And arrows you can put because more points can also come. So x plus y is equal to 5 is the graph of this equation. Now for this, x is 0, y is minus 4. 1 point will come here. X is 2, y is 0. 1 point will come here. X is 3, y is equal to 2. So 1 point again it will come here. With the help of scale you have to join it carefully like this. Now where it is moving, meeting, x is 3, y is 2. So this point is 3 and 2. So required solution is 3, 2. X is 3, y is 2. Thank you.